Namaste, I'm Shakti, and this is Behind the Asana. Today I'm going to be talking about Svadhyaya, which is study of the sacred text or self-study. And Svadhyaya is a very important part of our yoga practice because it is the foundation for the experiment that is the yoga practice. So as yogis or yogirishis, we're yoga scientists, and we're using our body, we're using our breath, we're using our mind as our platform for really exploring who we are at our truest essence. And so we have all of these different postures, breathing techniques, mantras, different meditations that we do, and we notice the effects that they have on our bodies. So Svadhyaya is the study of understanding ourselves, understanding our patterns, understanding our traumas and how they have shaped us into the human that we are. And from a place of awareness, we can then start to pick and choose which parts of ourselves will continue to manifest in this life, and which patterns and personality traits that we can start to surrender and let go of, so that we can find more and more peace and harmony in our life. So study of the sacred text, studying the Bhagavad Gita, for example, the Upanishads, the Vedas, the Bible, whatever it is for you that holds this ancient wisdom, this ancient spiritual wisdom that is consistent across all religions, and having a text like that going always. I always have some sort of text from a great Swami, or I'm studying the sutras, or I'm studying the Bhagavad Gita. Osho is another one of my favorite thinkers, and it just empowers me throughout the course of my life to have these moments where I'm reading these words and reminding myself of the work that I'm doing. And so study of the sacred text is important. And then through your yoga practice, through practices like journaling, through breathing, through meditation, you begin to really understand more and more of yourself and the patterns that come with what make you who you are. And so through the practice of Svadhyaya, through the practice of study of the sacred text, keeping you focused on the work that you're doing, as well as really starting to intimately understand yourself, you can start to peel back the layers and find more joy and peace in your life. So I encourage you all to practice Svadhyaya on a daily basis. I'm Shakti. This is Behind the Asana. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.